Assalamu alaikum. Today I will show you how to download uTorrent Pro. Let's start work. Simple, just go to Sizar.us, then search uTorrent. Here is the uTorrent Pro, and this is pre-activate. Now click the download button. Here waiting for 50 to 20 seconds, and here download link. Then open. This is the download link. Just copy and paste and go. This site providing Mega and Google Drive download links. So now again click download button. Start downloading. Download is complete, and remember, must be disable Windows real-time protection. Here is our software. This is compressed file, so first needed to extract file. Now click the open button and yes. It is auto activation system, so one click installation. I think software is ready to use. Here is our shortcut uTorrent public network allow. Now you can enable your production system. Now I added a file. Just click this plus symbol, download torrent, download file, open. Okay, see, this is starting. Start download. If you like this video, please like, comment and share. Thank you.